Ribbers, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with an unboxing and installation of this 24-inch glueless water wave wig from UNice hair. And let me tell you, she is eating right out of the box, you guys. It looks gorgeous. And this curl pattern is, you know, this is me, you guys. This is me. So UNice actually reached out to me and asked me to try this wig for you all. So of course I'm going to link it in the description box, but we are going to hop into this video. But before we do, I'm going to ask that you all remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, let's go ahead and unbox this wig and see what we're working with today. I am super duper excited. You know the vibes. I love a good glueless wig. Like, it's so easy to install, and I am slowly getting like a little more lazy to where it's like, I don't want to have to use glue all the time. I don't want to have to pluck a wig all the time. Like, I just want to be able to put it on sometimes. Oh, okay, we do have a cutesy little robe. I might put this on in a little bit with the UNice branding on it. Bam, 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 cutesy, cutesy. And here is the wig, you guys. UNice. So let's see what we're working with and actually open it up. I don't know about y'all, but this is like my favorite color pink. This is like the best pink you can get. I don't know, I don't know if y'all can really see it, but it's like this pink. Like, there's a slight blue hue to it. Like, I like that pink. You know, I am slowly liking pink, you guys, but it has to be the right pink. And this is the right pink. Bam. Here it is, you guys. Here it is. Cannot be defined on the inside. So we're gonna sit the wig to the side and see what we have in here that we're working with. They do give you a headband to melt your lace if you do actually decide to like install this wig and glue it down. You do have a headband, and you have some press-ons. Very cutesy. I am a press-on girly too myself, but I just like took all mine off, so I might put those on soon. And you do have two HD wig caps, HD, bam, 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 with their branding on it right there. Let's actually look at this wig, you guys. So this is a HD lace glueless wig, bam, HD lace. And it is 7x5 bye-bye knots lace wig, and this is 24 inches, you guys. Let's actually see what this wig is looking like and unbox this wig. Okay, she's giving. Look at here. Okay, this is their water wave texture, and I love a good water wave wig because I don't like my wigs to be like too curly or the curl to be just too tight. Like, this is the type of curl I really prefer on my wigs. Like, this is really, really pretty. And of course, it's curled all the way to the ends. This is a much more loose curl. And look at that. It is pre-plucked. The part is already there, honey. She's plucked. And as you can see, or as you cannot see, you cannot see any knots here. Okay, that was kind of corny, you guys. But there are no knots. They already bleached the knots. And you can see the wig is already plucked too. So you won't have to do anything there. Bam, bam. You actually get a nice amount of parting space, so you can kind of switch this up as you want to and kind of like change the parting. Super easy. So if you don't know how to pluck or bleach knots, this is the wig for you, you guys. That's one thing I also really love about the 7x5. You still have enough space to do a side part with the 7x5. Let me show you guys. So with the 7x5, you do still have enough parting space to do like a side part if you want to, a flip over. Like, it's like the perfect amount of parting space to where you don't have like barely anything, but you don't have as much work as you would with like a frontal. So this is perfect, you guys. Bam. And of course, here is the elastic band in the back. As for customization, the only thing I'm going to do to this wig is add just a little bit of lace tint. Hold on, let's look at how thin this lace is too. Like, the lace is really, really thin too. But okay, the only thing I'm gonna do to this wig as far as customization is spraying a little bit of lace tint on the lace to make it a little darker and closer to my skin tone. You don't need to do this, of course, no one needs to do this, but you can also just use makeup if you want to instead of like lace tint. So one thing I like to use for it, like one of these like little powders, something like that, that's always really, really good if you just wanna add a little color to the lace if it's looking a little too light on your skin. So yeah, you don't need much at all. Bam. And then I'm just gonna blow dry this because that lace tint is a little wet. Okay, so now I'm going to put this wig on and see what she's looking like. Okay, she's super thick. This is also 180% density, if I did not mention that already. Like, this is a nice thickness. It is not thin at all, and I feel like it's not gonna be just too much work to like actually manage and style. But let's put this wig on. Ooh, okay, very big head friendly, you guys. This wig is definitely big head friendly. I love it. Bam, okay. Ooh. So, okay, she looks really pretty. I like this curl pattern. It does look great. Look at that. So I'm gonna stand up for you guys. Let me pull my clothes down a little bit. So I am 5'7", and this is where the wig is falling on me. So it's like mid back, but you can see she's very thick, you guys. But yeah, it looks good, you guys. Completely glueless, I'm sorry, I have a bit of a tan line. I've been on vacation, so yeah, but it is glueless. It is completely glueless, no baby hair needed. I'm just going to add a little bit of makeup to the middle part to make the middle part pop. So styling this wig is super duper easy, you guys. Like, this is completely optional. You don't have to do this part. But yeah, I like to make my middle part like bow. I'm just going to add a little bit of mousse to the top to get it a little flatter. They did a really good job plucking this wig. I do really like the way they did this. Like, that looks good. That looks really good. I'm just gonna flatten the top with my hot comb really quickly. This is pretty. This is definitely vacation hair, honey. Of course, if you do want it super secure or you have a smaller head, you can always tighten the band in the back. But it feels really good. It's not heavy at all. Like, it's very nice, you guys. But yes, we're just gonna hit it with the hot comb really quickly so it can be flat on flat. Bam. Bam. Very beautiful. Bam. And honestly, you guys, that is really it for the styling of this wig. It is so easy. Like, glueless wigs was a fantastic invention, you guys. For it to look like this right out of the box is insane. Like, UNice, you definitely did your thing. Of course, I'm going to link this wig in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.